Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Cliff with Pen Flamingo Power Wash. Today we're back with another video. It's Christmas Eve, so Merry Christmas to everybody. I appreciate everybody subscribing to my channel. We got 200 subscribers. Let's keep going up, man. Smash that like button. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you're new. But today I'm doing a driveway for a returning customer. I was just here maybe about 3 weeks ago, and I'm also doing his patio furniture. So let's go check it out. All right, this is the house. All I'm doing is pretty much this concrete here. He had new concrete put in, as you can tell. It's new concrete there, new concrete back here, but this section over here was old concrete, so I'm gonna clean that up for him. And then back here, I'm gonna be doing the rugs in the back. Also this patio furniture back here. I'm trying to get in and out, man. It's Christmas Eve. Gotta get to my son. All right, guys, see you on the job. All right, guys, I got the cushions on the ground, ready to go. I'm gonna wet them down first, and then I'm gonna scrub them down with some solution. I'm gonna mix it up and show y'all what it looks like. But I'm gonna go ahead and wet them down first before I start. Alright, guys, so we're gonna go ahead and mix our solution to clean the cushions. I got some borax over here, and I also got Dawn and scrub brush. So I'm probably gonna mix like a half a cup in this water here. Just go ahead and start it up. Alright, so here we go, adding the borax. I don't have a cup, so seems like about a half a cup, right? Add us a little this soap in here. Alright, so we got our solution ready to go. So let's start applying it. guys, all the cushions are done. Looking good. I'm about to start on this driveway. Looks like it's gonna rain. I'm trying to get out of here real fast. Let me start. Alright guys, driveway is done. I see guys always asking, how do they get rid of these things here? They're called tanning stains. And it's not because the driveway is dirty. You just gotta post treat those. So I'm gonna show you how you guys, I'm saying, get them up. Set this thing up. So you just take you some either straight or even 50-50 mix of SH and water. You just spray it right on there and post treat it, and it'll just disappear. I normally do this while I'm about to break down and start winding the hoses up. As this is going, I just be rolling the hoses up and get everything ready. All I gotta do is put this in the van and I'm out of here. This is going away already. Hey, I want to thank everybody for checking out this video today on Christmas Eve. I hope everybody have a good Christmas. I'm not sure if I'm working this week, but if they call, I'm working. All right, man, I'll catch y'all in the next video.